A boiler. It can look like a really complex machine, right? But what if I told you the basic principle is something you probably see in your kitchen every single day? Let's break down one of the most essential and surprisingly simple machines in our modern world. They're kind of the hidden heart of so many places we rely on. Think about it. Factories, hospitals, even your local dry cleaner. They're everywhere, quietly doing their job, turning simple water into a powerful source of energy. And despite their industrial look, the fundamental idea is pretty much the same as a pot of water boiling on your stove. It's all about creating heat and getting that heat into water, just on a much bigger, more powerful, and way safer scale.
To really get it, you just have to follow 4 logical steps. This is basically the roadmap to understanding any boiler anywhere.
First, we create heat. Second, we transfer that heat to water. Third, that hot water turns into steam. And fourth, this is the most important one, we control and secure the entire process. That's really it. So let's see how it's all put together. All right, so how does the machine actually pull off those 4 steps? Let's take a look at the key parts that make it all happen.
Everything kicks off right here with the burner. Its job is simple. Mix a fuel, like natural gas, with air and ignite it to create a controlled flame. This flame is the source of all the energy in the system.
Now that we have our heat source, the next challenge is to efficiently get all that energy from the flame into the water.
And this is where the genius of boiler design really comes in. The whole goal is to get the most contact possible between the heat and the water. The 2 main ways to do this are fire tube boilers, where hot gases flow through tubes sitting in water, and water tube boilers, where water flows through tubes that are heated from the outside. Both are just brilliant solutions to the same problem, transferring heat as efficiently as you can.
So, as the water absorbs all this heat, it boils and turns into steam. And this isn't just hot air. This steam holds a massive amount of energy, which is where the real power of a boiler comes from. That energy can heat entire buildings, sterilize hospital equipment, or even drive turbines to generate electricity. Of course, this process can't just run on its own. A boiler needs a brain, and that's its control system. It's constantly watching the pressure, turning the burner's flame up or down as needed. It uses a pump to add more water when the level drops, and it keeps a close eye on the flame to make sure everything is running smoothly. And that brings us to the most critical aspect of any boiler, safety. Because we're dealing with so much energy, making sure it's under control at all times is priority number 1.
Now you might be wondering, why all the fuss? It's just boiling water, isn't it? Well, not quite.
The crucial thing to understand is that when you put steam under pressure, you are storing a phenomenal amount of energy in a small space. This makes it incredibly useful, but it also demands absolute respect and rock-solid safety systems.
So here are the layers of protection that keep a boiler safe. First, the safety valve is the ultimate fail-safe, automatically releasing steam if the pressure gets dangerously high. Next, sensors watch the water level and shut the boiler down if it gets too low, which prevents the metal from overheating. Flame controls constantly make sure the burner is working properly. And finally, to keep the boiler healthy, a process called blowdown periodically drains some of the water to get rid of impurities that could build up and cause damage over time.
So, after looking at all the parts, from creating heat all the way to safety, we can actually wrap up this whole process into one single sentence.
At its core, a boiler is simply this. A controlled combustion creates heat. That heat is transferred to water to produce steam, and the entire operation is managed by control and safety systems. That's the whole story.
From giant power plants to the steam engines that kicked off the Industrial Revolution, this fundamental process of turning water into steam is one of the most important technologies we've ever developed. So the next time you see a plume of steam, you'll know exactly the elegant and powerful process that's happening inside.